So I am finally doing my makeup based on the trans flag, and it took me so long because I was trying to think of like something really fun and like encapsulating like trans pride. So we're gonna do a butterfly. Wait, why do I sound weird?
Better? Yeah. I have been like really trying to think of the best way to do this makeup look so that I can really like encapsulate it and like do it justice and make it super cute and fun. So I'm finally doing the trans pride flag. So I wanted to do a butterfly just because that's just you kind of start off as like a caterpillar and then you emerge as your true self. So butterfly. However, creating like my own butterfly look was way harder than I thought it was going to be. But I finally figured out how I'm going to do the design, and right now I'm just kind of like tracing it out on my eyelid and cover up so that I know where I want to put the eyeshadow. This took me like literally the whole month to figure out how I wanted to do this makeup look too. Like I looked at so many different pictures of butterflies to figure out like how I could do the butterfly wing. I drew them up different times and I'm like, no, like I'm not gonna be able to do that. And then finally, I figured it out. Look how cute this shape is though, like, I'm so excited. I think it was the monarch butterfly that I went with, just because I was like, this is gonna be like the easiest, because I couldn't just like figuring out, it was hard. It's very difficult. All right, so now I have the outline done. This is where I want to put the eyeshadow. I'm putting the eyeshadow inside of this like outline here. I'm gonna go in with like this really hot pink that I have on like a small fluffy brush because I'm trying to keep it inside of this. Like if I go outside, oof, I don't want to have to fix that. So yeah, taking some hot pink and I am brushing that into the inner corner. Then I'm going in with the same brush because I need a tiny one. And I'm putting some light blue inside of the outline. I kind of also had an idea that I was thinking of for next year before I even figured this out because oh my goodness. But I wanted to do like pride butterfly makeup and just do a bunch of different butterflies with the pride flags. But then I did this and this was hard. This was something. So I don't know, I may or may not do that next year. I'll probably kind of think of it all year, try to draw some up, and then do it. But like, ooh, this is what hard. Like just thinking of like just putting the position of the wing is like, oh my goodness. Right, I'm kind of blending it together, but because I'm about to draw over top of it, I'm not too concerned about it not being that blended. This is gonna be so cute. And this is like the part where I feel like it's going to be the hardest, but then I feel like it's also gonna be like, haha, just kidding. It wasn't that hard. I'm hoping that's how it's gonna be. I'm taking some white liner on a thin little paintbrush, and I'm gonna go over this outline with it. You know what? It was actually really easy to just outline this. Like, this is not done. But it was actually pretty easy to just do that outline. So I think I could probably do pride butterflies next year. Yeah, some of them could be pretty chill. I even thought like because everybody associates like a moth tattoo with being bisexual that I could do moth wings instead of butterfly wings for the bisexual month because like bisexual month flag, bisexual flag. Yeah, I think I could do that. I'll have like an entire year to come up with them, so This will be good. Outline is done. Now I'm gonna probably ruin it by trying to make it look like fancy. But this is cute. Like, I would wear just this. Like, this is... I definitely, in my drawing, thought I had more eyelid space than I really do. So I'm just gonna make like a weird little circle here. Probably easier to do this part first. So I'm gonna a weird little circle. And then like matching this to the other side is going to be just like they're gonna be sisters. They're not gonna match. So we're just making squiggles, connecting them. This line was supposed to be way better than it went on, but it is a lot harder to do this than I thought. Now I'm just gonna try like filling this in a bit, but like leaving some circles. I'm going off script right now. There are circles in my drawing, but like they're gonna look funky with my lid space. So, all right. I mean, up lid. It doesn't look terrible. Wait, I don't know if I'm gonna really be able to get those circles in on the bottom because of my eye bags. I can put this and we can do one here. Make a big circle right here. You know, aside from how like kind of messy that is, that's really cute. Like, it's so cute though. I'm gonna do the other eye. Yeah, so these are definitely not matchy-matchy. Actually, I could make them match a little bit more by just adding a thicker line down here, but still they're not matchy-matchy. Still cute though. And I'm not always about the matchy-matchy makeup anyway. And then I just thought it would also be really cute to add like the trans flag in my eyebrows. So I'm just going to put like a white stripe right here. We're gonna take some hot pink, put it beside it. Okay, and then we're gonna add some blue. I don't know if I've ever used this blue water-activated eyeliner before, because I have too many blue water-activated eyeliner. Like, if you looked at my water-activated eyeliner collection, you would think my favorite color is blue. I don't know what happened and why I bought so many, but anyway, I don't know if I used this one, but I like this a lot. That's a pretty color. I took that blue into my eyebrow tail too, because I like it so much. I need those butterfly clips so I can clip up my hair. It would be so cute. I feel like it's definitely more noticeable that they are not matchy-matchy right now. Look at how cute though. I got lipstick on my tooth. I hope you guys like it. I think it's super cute if we just like cover the bad eye. So if we just like, look at how cute it is. Anyway, I hope that you guys are having a really great Pride Month, and just like a good day in general. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you try it, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.